Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to link threads to Instagram. So actually you don't necessarily have to go to the settings and link your accounts with like different social medias, because threads is actually an Instagram app. So as you can see right here, threads, it's an Instagram app to share ideas, trends with text. So it's like a linked platform, but you can only post on different social medias. But whether it was the name, followers, bio, even username, it won't have to take a lot of work. It won't take you as a matter of seconds to just create an account, and it will be all linked to Instagram. Even the followers that joined threads, they will be available on threads as well, and they can see freely, they can see your posts, they can see your replies and all that, and your engagement. So you don't have to link your account and maybe start posting to the other platforms, because the only difference between threads and Instagram is the posting, just the posting. You can't link the account, or you can't link the post to Instagram yet, but I'm sure that in the future they will provide in the future that when you post anything on threads, you can link it to Instagram. Same way it goes to Instagram, to Facebook, and so forth. So basically you don't have to do anything, because this threads app is like new, like it's launched like a couple days ago. So you don't have to do anything, but it terms of posting followers, name, username, it won't take you as a matter of seconds, because it's already linked and copied from Instagram. So it's really not that different. So you don't have to do anything. If you have an Instagram account, you will see it right here. And if you want people to visit your profile, you could just simply go ahead and click on share profile and just copy and share it to whatever person that you want to share it to. And see right here on the Instagram profile, as you can see right here, I have an ID for threads app. So every person who joined threads, he will see, or she will see, this is the number that I have, and it will direct them to my profile right here. So basically that's how you do it, and that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video you upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.